Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin.
I just unboxed this giant pallet and it's full of tons of toys and games. I'm going to tell you exactly how much I think that I can make.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
Okay, as a reminder, I want to give you the specs of this. If you have not seen the full unboxing of everything that came out of the pallet, go ahead and check that out. I'll have it tagged at the end of this video, all right? This is a bulk.com pallet, toys, games, dolls, stuffed animals, retails at $2,200. Uninspected returns is the condition. 117 items. I paid $122, $200 for shipping, and $966 for tax. Total of $331.66, which roughly makes each item around $350 or so. Now, I do have a few items that were broken, and so that obviously brings the cost of purchase for each item a little bit higher, but I wanted to kind of show you and tell you what I think I can make. I got a lot of fun items, like I got this Handsome Man grooming can. It's basically a paint can that has cold shower towels and you know, superior grade shaving cream, and it's got a lot of funny sayings on it. And so if you want to see some of the funny sayings, check out my video before where I did the unboxing. I've got some things that are in kind of rough condition, and so obviously I can't sell those on the Amazon platform, but what I really wanted to show you was holy Hatchimal, Batman. Yes, these are all Hatchimal collectibles, the Egg Venture games. And so I ended up with a total of 62 boxes of these games, and 58 of them are in good, great, sellable condition. Fun story. Totally restricted on Amazon. Wah, wah, wah. But the cool thing is I don't just sell on one platform, and that's one thing about reselling. You can't be a one-hit wonder when it comes to reselling. So I have a lot of platforms I sell it on. Most likely, I will sell this on my hookedonpickin.com website. So if you want a Hatchimal game, I'm going to price this game for less than what Amazon has it for, because I do not have to pay as high a fees on my own website as Amazon charges. And so if you'd like this, go check it out at hookedonpickin.com. It will, I'll tag the link down in the description below, and it'll be labeled Hatchable game. But that's something that you need to take into consideration. Are there other avenues that you can sell it? Also, they've got some stuff over here. As you can see, all these boxes are all the same. Same thing. These are going to go in my girls' mystery boxes. And so I have other plans for things that I am restricted in selling that I will not be able to sell on the Amazon platform. And so these will go in girls' mystery boxes. But what I wanted to tell you, I forgot to tell you while I was over here, is because I'm selling these on a different platform, I'm only going to make about $5 per game. But that's okay. I barely spent anything on this pallet. And so just with these games alone, I'm going to make $5 a piece. And just considering the ones that are in the good condition boxes, $290 right there. And then I looked up this lamp. These lamps I can sell on Amazon and make $100 a piece on these. And so those are amazing. So just with those two items, I've just made all my money back for the pallet. I think with everything else that I've got going on here and all the different products that are in this pallet, I could probably make an additional $400 on top of what I pay, you know, paying myself back plus an additional $400. And so the cool thing about this pallet and what I love so much is that I'm going to be able to process this pallet super duper fast, because yes, there's a few different varieties of items, but I've got a lot of multiples. And so I'm going to list those Hatchimals and put them all away, and they're going to be done with. And there goes 62 items out of my 117 already listed. And then I'll list these, and then there goes a big portion of them. And so it's going to be a very fast pallet to process. So what do I think I can make? Well, between the Hatchimals and these lamps, I'm going to make all my money back. With everything else, I think I'm going to net probably about $400 of actual money that goes into my pocket. And so, and that's because I sell on multiple platforms, and when doing so, I pay less in fees, and I'm not stuck in the I'm restricted category of what do I do with all this extra stuff. So make sure you think outside the box. Hopefully it's been helpful to see what you get in a bulk.com pallet of toys and games, of uninspected returns, and think outside the box and see if you can sell on different avenues and still make a huge profit. So hopefully it's been helpful, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks! This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.